Hey, John from Palm Beach Customs, welcome. This is another CJ-7 V8 build we just finished. 78 CJ-7, I'll give you the walk around. Anvil Gray. Come out real nice. We put original 304 V8 all rebuilt with Alpha intake and quick fuel carburetor. We got the single wire VM distributor, and we put AC on this one. Show you over on this side. This truck has AC, it has headers, brand new rebuild, clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, radiator, everything in the engine compartment, starter. This is how we do our complete build: starter, solenoid, everything new. It's got the good front bumpers, rock hard with the winch. You can see the body and paintwork, all beautiful. You can hear the AC pump idling, clicking in and on and off, cycling. All in the engine compartments, really sanitary, all new hardware. Body mounts on this one, complete rebuild of all the front suspension. It's got the 2.5-inch lift with the heavy-duty shackles, the greasable shackles, Pro Comp shocks, full brake job, all new calipers, rotors and pads. In the back, drums and pads and shoes and spring kit. This one has a soft door option, soft top. Full dual stainless exhaust, comes out of both sides. Rock hard rear bumper and tire carrier with the high lift jack. Yeah, nice unit. Running real nice. I'll show you the interior. We put the factory rocker guards and the steps on. In the interior we have the best top seats. Got the Grant steering wheel. Here's the AC package. Blowing cold, I love it. All new gauges. New windshield, new mirror, rear view mirror. All the goodies on the inside are all replaced. And new wipers, wiper blades, all the rubber seals, gaskets. Yeah, real nice build. Anvil Gray, 78 Jeep CJ-7 V8. This has the 4-speed. We've been building quite a few of these. If you're interested in getting one done, or you have one that you want to get done, we'd be glad to talk to you. Again, this is John at Palm Beach Customs.